welcome to my channel, guys. Today I wanted to share with you how animals can be very sick and you don't even know this. So this is Blackout. He's 3 years old. He's a little Pomeranian. He was born in the Bahamas during Hurricane Matthew, hence the name Blackout. He's not quite as black as he was when he was a baby. He's now 3 years old, as I said. Now I just wanted to share with you how your animal, your pet can be very ill and you don't even know that your pet is that sick. So I traveled over the Christmas holiday and I left him in a boarding facility, and when I got back they told me, oh, Blackout has been coughing a lot. He has had episodes of this before, and we've put him on antibiotics. Didn't help. After the antibiotics it would stop for a while and then he would go back coughing. So today I worked from home, and it was very troubling just hearing him cough and not feeling too good. That cough is so horrible. I got to take him to the vet. And you need to get to the dentist, you need to get to the vet. He sounds like he wants to throw up something from his chest, and I decided to take him back to the vet.